This is how you can configure your public-facing artwork portal with GraphicsFlow. When you click here on the little link that we provide to the art portal, this allows you to manage your settings. When I'm here in my settings section, very simple, I'm enabling or disabling my portal. I have my shareable link to the direct website that we provide. And then I have my configuration options for the art assets I want to display. Within each of these sections, you're going to want to make sure that you're updating if you make any changes so that we're saving as we're going. Navigation here, this is a great opportunity for some cross promotion. If you have a e-commerce site or another third-party site that you want to direct to, you're able to add custom links here and direct your customers to those pages to really maximize the impact of this site. Below that, we can turn off the help and contact if you want, definitely up to you. Notifications here, it's important to note as many team members can receive these notifications as you would like. The design request is going to be the forms that are submitted from your customers that are browsing on your public-facing art portal. And then contact us, of course, very straightforward there. Looking at display settings, this is the opportunity to brand the custom site with your shop colors and your logo. You can see down here we've uploaded our logo and we have some size options here. We can increase or decrease the size, and then you're just uploading those hex values. Under that, you've got your header text and description. I definitely suggest customizing this. Again, a great opportunity for some branding and to make sure there's good continuity and your business's voice is the one on the website. Scrolling down to embed code, there are two main options for the public art portal. You have the main option, which is the website that we provide to you. But if you prefer to direct customers back to your site and have them browse and have this design experience on your third-party site, we provide an embed code option. When you copy the embed code, you're able to embed that into the back end of any of your website pages and have that design experience display. With just a few minutes of configuring settings, either for the embed code or for the website, you're able to offer a branded and beautiful design experience to your customers.